Well, guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Today, good because I'm green. I reached my goal, and like seriously, again, nothing to trade. I've never traded TDOC before. This is my first time trading this. It's down really, really bad. What's weird about TDOC is Kathy Wood from ARK is a big holder of this stock, and it's down almost 50%. It's really weird. I don't know what's the reason behind it, but yeah, so its stock was an SSR as well. That's why I was kind of hesitant to short, and I haven't even tried if stock is shortable. I've never tried. So I said for me to be able to trade this easily is going to be long, at low days, right? Like that's really what I did here. So at the open, it sells off really hard. Even you probably chase it for short, it's probably gonna feel you really bad. You have to catch it. So I waited. I saw this level here, 29.81. So I took it long and a bit too early, so I stopped out. Not a big loss. So I tried again. A lot more tight risk when I saw that. Okay, it was just like a shake off, and then eventually it worked. So I'm back green in the day. And then eventually the stock worked to wherever it wanted to be, to 31.50 area, so the opening price. And the thing is, it got halted as well, and I did something wrong here where I said let me start taking long again at VWAP. So I took it long here. Man, I almost gave back everything and probably end up red for the day. And then I saw it's holding this 29.81 here again. So I was like, okay, risk on. I'm going to risk somewhere at 60 cents, somewhere this area here. I almost got stop out, just a few cents. So the low of this candle is 60. I was going to stop out at 60. And when I saw it recovered, I added risking 60 and then added again. So I tripled my size here. So my average will be like closer instead of here, right? Average was I think 13. So I probably can risk 30 cents because this was supposed to be $1 risk. So I can risk maybe 30 cents. So 13, maybe 30 cents, somewhere around this area. Good thing it did not continue to get down, or else I'm gonna be stopped and end up red for the day. It popped. I took most of it here. I was still holding a bunch of shares, and eventually I stopped out at break even. But I'm really glad I made money here as well. Yeah, so yeah, before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Follow me in my social media accounts, and yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below. Let's watch. Yeah, so here I was actually kind of watching on my main chart here. I was watching TDOC because nothing really else I can trade. I have Twitter here, but seriously, I'm done with Twitter. It's not really, it's just ranging a small size, a small range on Twitter. So I said, okay, the volume that I have with a great R vol is TDOC. I've never traded TDOC, so I have my levels to trade off of TDOC. Yeah, let's see, one sec. Fast forward this a bit. Okay, let's fast forward. So market is about to open. So the first try, probably I'm gonna be careful because this is probably going to trade really heavy at the open. So as you can see here, right at the open, 96 cents. That's crazy. So almost $1. So I said, okay, that's kind of sign wherein it's probably gonna move crazy. But I probably can trade this for a reversal because that one's probably gonna bounce. Right? It's also in my level. As you can see here, 29.81. I think that was my level. 1.5 million. 15 seconds left to finish the candle. So probably this is not going to be a 1 minute orb. So yeah, let's see what I did. I should have taken 60 instead. I should have taken 60 because yeah, now too late. Look at that balance. That's almost a dollar. Almost a dollar balance. I should have taken 60 like and then took some more off in there. But the thing is I'm seeing 81 here. Probably just risk low of day. This is not a big size because it's heading down, so I stopped out. So let's go here. So I stopped out. This one will be probably a bigger risk because I saw that it rejected this area here. The thing is, I don't like this wick, so I was being careful. I really thought I was going to stop out. 50-cent risk. Average is at 97. A bit risky, too tight. But to make more money, we need to be tight. If I stop out here, I need to find a better entry. So this was a small loss. Look at that. It's holding. I was really tempted to add again, but I said no, it's ranging about $1 per candle. Okay, just taking some off. Okay, there you go. So that's 2 to 1 in there. So I've made my money back and plus a little bit of profit. So that was the pop that I was hoping for because of this level here, 29.81. Then I stopped out. Okay, so because I did held because I really thought it's gonna hold 50 and eventually continue to go back to 31.45. So that's what's in my mind. I was kind of tempted to re-entry here again, 29.81. As you can see here, it's really touching it. It's not even breaking. No big orders here. There's one here, but not that much. I said, should I continue to 29.81 if it goes back? I'm glad I did. I didn't. Now it's back at low of day. Low of day is 29.29. So new low of day. Wow, that's crazy. So I actually forgot this happened. Imagine if I stop out. I'm glad I caught the move here. Okay, so this candle is bigger than this candle. So this is probably a good sign that it's gonna like bounce. So you can probably get in at 29.50 here. Risk maybe low of this candle. See, look at that pop. So or you can enter here again at 29.81. I was really tempted to get in here, but I did not do it because of this, because of what happened here. And look at that. The stock eventually halted because I don't know why it halted. It's not even, this move is only less than oh yeah, probably because it's 5%. I think if it moves 5% of 5% of this, no, it's not even 5%. Almost $1.50. That's crazy. $1.50 move. Yeah, so that's why I halted. So let's fast forward this a bit. It's unhalted. So as you can see here, there's a 30.50 here. It's right at VWAP. I said, okay, maybe it's gonna hold 30.50. Let's see. I didn't even trade a big size because I don't wanna ruin my day. And it halted, so I need to be careful. So I said, okay, let me try. And then if I should have stopped out immediately there. And I was stubborn. Yeah, so average cost is 60, 30 to 60. So I'm seeing 81 here. Like my all out stop will be $1 move because this is $1 risk. There, it touched 60 there. I was really scared. Like, oh my God, what did I do? So I added same size. So average will be somewhere here. Yeah, so half in the middle because I re-average. So for me to be able to break even is 30-20. I said, okay, I'm going to probably try to add again and risk maybe 70 or 81 area. I doubled down. Yeah, I doubled down here. The average will be here now. New average is 30-13. I can probably just risk low of this day. That's all I can give. If not, if it drops more, then I'll be like, I'm not happy about it. I was ready to stop out at 81, but it's giving me hope. I don't like this wicks here. Okay, I don't like this wicks here, but you know, we're just half. Okay, there you go. So that's the pop I needed. Took profit. There you go. Took profit. Come on. So that's the move that I wanted. So I caught most of it. Basically, that's just a 1 hour trade, 30 cents. I held, yeah, there. So that's 1.5 hour move, but of course we did not get the 1.5 net profit because we were taking profit here. But I almost got a net of 1 hour in there. That's why I'm still holding a bit of shares. There you go, stop out, but it could have been nice. Could have been nice if I just got all out here, there, but it's all good. I thought it's gonna hold VWAP and eventually continue to go up really high, but it did not. So again, it's back in 29.81. It looks like it's gonna try to break it. Let's see. But stock was in SSR. Stock is in SSR, so it'll be harder for us to trade it. Yeah, it's holding this again. You can probably risk 20 cents. If you're trading small size, you can trade 20 cents on this one. And just, you know, eventually just, you know, stop out yourself. Yeah, so nothing else to say. See what happened to TDOC after this. Yes, as you can see, it's back in 29s. That was a crazy $1 move. So it's right at this level here, 28.60. But you know what? I'm done for the day. It's 8 o'clock here. I need to get breakfast and prepare for my day job. Yeah, so that's about it.